wa fainu lawyer san sila daklam chi ba kadar te daklam chi ba kadar wa ka governance e po milai is for the few, by the few, of the few, not of the people, by the people, for the people.
Arwan Sutanga Secretary ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee haka jinglet ban pen embyang ya ka jing sngosanya jogi padba ya ka party Congress hinden ka singi ka laitrik uyayong ar hajar ar puar ulakran shibun ki aka haka jing kendo jong ubat kinong shong shnong ka jowai habaya kran shikilat patai kubor ulapen pau ba ka seng Congress ka kwa ban krisiu thia ya ka rilum jantia bawat labun kilami na ka seng hendrei ka jingkermen ka dangdon Ulayat huru baka hogjongi ban mani blay ladlut kala sedang ban syakta namar baka sorkar MDA ling baka BJP kala kwa ban wandrai ka Bhagavad Gita haka kurikulum ban puli haki skul haka jilla. Nalor baya ka hogjong ka jad benriu khasi jantia garu haka artikel ba arpausan joka constitution kari India ka day ban pendroy ban penne pensa e kariti dusturu kala syakta namar kat kum ka jingkranu Amit Shah ki pratali ki jilla jongka North East kila pediang ban penloy ke Hindi kum ka compulsory language hadu kelas 10
wa fainu lawyer san sila daklam chi ba kadar te daklam chi ba kadar wa ka governance e po milai is for the few, by the few, of the few, not of the people, by the people, for the people. Hakani ka por kwa u kursu thia ya ka rijai thia u ongwa ka jingkermen em ko hampet ya kata wa mi kibru wa mi kita kinong yalam kita ki MLA na ka Congress pet ya ka yi ku em kam bi ka Congress mentulo da pet bi ka secular foundation yang ka constitution ka jing ka hok yang i u mane blai lai lo ni kani dakta atar ko sakai ba ka jingta ni ma ila na central government na government jab BJP heta है NDA government dakwa ki wanra ya ka Bhagavad Gita kam ka curriculum wo hapura है school ka hok yang i wo hapok article arthausan yo constitution ko u to u penroy u penne i ka culture ke yang ya ka riti ke dustur ke yang wo ya ka language ka tin ti yo ka man mi ka statement of Amit Shah wa ki pratali ki states yang ka North East dapat yang u perman Hindi kam ka compulsory language ki school hadu class 10 nga ong ko bito la dato sket ko api ensure ka rights yang ki minorities upene bi ka hok yang ile pen sub bi ka khasi language hapo ki it serut da ba kani to hok yang ini ba upun imi ka cek rui ka. First, let us preserve what we have been given, the right that we have been given under Article 25 of the Constitution. And then, later on we will think about Hindi because Hindi is a language that is accepted only in North India. Even South India does not accept Hindi language.